Hey Techne Nation, wondering how to get these fluffy 3C type curls for your next cosplay wig? Well, today I'm collaborating with Epic Cosplay Wigs to bring you this easy curling tutorial. Epic Cosplay Wigs has sent me their gorgeous Eros lace front infusion vanilla pink for my next comp build of Sakizo's Fairy Godmother. Straight out of the bag, you can see just how high quality this wig is. The wefts are super soft, long, and full, which is perfect for the style that I need. For these curls, you will need a straightener, a comb, preferably both wide and short tooth, a tool for the type of curl size you want. In this case, I have a long metal knitting needle I got from the dollar store, some trusty got-to-be glued hairspray, and this one's optional, but I have some detangler that I find works well for synthetic hair. After pinning your wig down, first grab a small strand of your hair and brush it out. Next, wrap it around your tool and make sure it's tight enough, otherwise it will come out more wavy than curly. Next, squeeze your straightener down the strand slowly. Before taking your curl out, spray some hairspray and wait 15 to 30 seconds to ensure the hair is fully cooled. Now you got yourself a bouncy little curl. For the style I need lots of poofage, so I am gently pulling apart the curl for extra volume. Now repeat as many times as you want. As you can see, it took me a while to do the full wig, so you'll need lots of patience for this style. Thank you guys for watching and happy styling!